Hey you, how's it going? Well, wow, there's some Bondo dust on that camera. There we go. It's winter time's coming again. Doesn't look like it. Still looks really nice out today.
Yeah, it's been so nice.
It's been so nice, but you know what that means. It's winter beater time. Myles, full points for winter beater. Winter number what, 4?
4? I think this will be the 4th winter.
Well played.
With little to no maintenance.
That's what we like to see. Oh, what's going on here? You know how many points you get for this winter beater? 0.
But I got a car starter.
Yeah.
Heated seats.
This is too easy by 1,000. Nice. Wow, it's way too nice.
Delete. No one wants to see this.
Like, eh?
Let's well, I'd still like to do this. Cold, cold. There we go. All right.
There we go.
The perennial. This thing hasn't run since the snow melted last time. So let's see if there's even a battery in there.
Look at the mud cake.
Look at this thing.
I like this. Like, it took a rock chip 10 years ago. It's just slowly rotting through.
Is there a battery in it?
No.
There's a puppy. There you go.
Good girl, Frankers.
No, we're gonna
No
need
battery.
some juice.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's easy.
Yeah.
Somewhere.
We should get some gas and squirt it in there.
Like, he's treating Renault motors better than he is this big block Dodge.
Classic Dodge here.
She's got a little leaky going on, hey?
We're gonna have to turn on a little.
leak.
Oh, the valve covers smell awesome in this thing.
To turn on a little Copperhead Road and remind you why you have this big block Dodge.
There.
Look at this.
Hey, where do we steal a battery from?
Yeah.
Not me.
Damn it. Okay. The annual.
No sparks,
go.
no draw.
There we go.
Good.
This thing likes gas. I hope it goes.
Oh,
It'll go for sure.
It'll go. Yeah.
So easy, eh?
Yeah.
One more shot.
Yeah.
Never.
That's it. They all just run the same, eh?
Oh,
they're just all
the same. Yeah, just blap, 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 blap. That's nice. Maybe we'll go and check the tires. Something smells a little weird. Any mice nest got in
Nest
there?
in the muffler, maybe?
I don't see
smells
any.
like oil.
Yeah. Some of
That's good. That
going
means there's some in it.
on.
I'm
Nothing
gonna
weird
get
over
the
here at all.
tire thing and then we'll go for a rip. Okay. 4 old Craggers. Rusty Craggers. Look at the
Oh, I know, but
separation. We might have to get some rubber. Hit the signals for me.
What is signal? Left side.
Really?
Right Right side.
Okay, go left again.
Left side.
Okay, we gotta fix that.
I got a corner marker light out over here.
Okay. Right signal.
Left.
Okay. We just need a Phillips and maybe a bulb. Or maybe not. Hey Rangers, what do you think? Back in the office, eh? What a good girl.
Miss Frankers, you want to go for a ride?
Okay, let's. Most important thing is, will it warm up?
Right.
Yes, heater must work.
Alternator's working. Signals.
Cigarette lighter?
Barely away.
Yeah, the gauge has always been pretty lame.
Just stick a 150 amp in here, alternator.
This is still probably the original 30 amp alternator, right? Small change alternator.
There's no add-ons really, so I guess it's, well, besides this cassette player.
Does this thing point ignition still?
You can throw that up here. Look at Frankers back there.
Oh, it'll make it. Okay,
Sounds
well,
good.
let's put some gas in it. This gas is old.
Oh, Franker's so tired.
This I've been driving this car for 20 years.
It's already been through a couple of
And it
owners.
was 30 years old then. That's weird, eh?
Yeah.
And I paid $200 for it.
Really?
Yeah.
It's a pretty good price.
Yeah. So it was going to the Derby.
Really?
Yeah.
It wouldn't have been in that bad a shape 20 years ago,
It
or
had
was
a
it?
rusted subframe.
Oh.
So it was without value. It was out of province fail with a rusty subframe.
So obviously you changed that then?
I
or-
changed the subframe, yeah.
Oh, really?
I got one from that Flatla place that you know about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dale, I think.
Yeah, I had that shipped up.
Really?
And
And you're talking front subframe?
yeah.
Yeah.
So from
There's all,
midway
yeah.
through the doors all
Okay,
the
it's
way
like
down.
it's like a Camaro or
Yeah,
whatever.
for sure.
Are they like that?
Yeah.
I don't have much
I,
Camaro experience.
So I went over to Collins and I lifted the body with his hoist and I lifted the engine with an engine crane and I lifted them both at the same time and detached the subframe so that when I lifted the car, the engine was swinging around in the engine bay, right? And I was just lifting it as I did it, and then once I had the car up high enough, I rolled the subframe out with all the brakes and everything attached, and I took everything, steering box, brakes, suspension, and I swapped it all over the other subframe, rolled it back under and let the car back down. And I was done in one afternoon.
It's pretty nice.
So, something I want to try again.
Yeah.
This is the Newport's retirement year. This will be the last year I think we drive this car. So,
Was the windshield, did you do that, or was it always
well,
that
it
nice?
was good when I got it.
Hold on,
It's
Frankers.
coming in hot.
That's feeling it today.
Oh, here we go.
Well, that is a very rare sighting on YouTube. Right to the rug,
Foot to the floor with Scott behind the wheel.
3,700 RPM.
It wasn't too rough.
That's fine, hey.
Yeah, it's got lots of whatever. I wouldn't call it horsepower, but it's got lots of stuff that moves around and pulls the car. You know?
Makes a respectable amount of noise.
Yeah. Well, and when you start adding up everything it would take to fix this car, you just do a different car and take the best parts of this car to live on forever.
I had a 65 Dodge Polara 318 wagon, and then the 68 Fury 383 double 4-barrel. That was pretty awesome.
Really?
Yeah. 456 gears in the back, painted it black, lowered it. It was fun, but the body was all coming apart.
456 gears.
Oh yeah, sweet.
Maybe that's what I should look for. It's like a
72 Newport.
Big block Ford wagon.
Yeah. Well, Dean has one.
Does he?
The motor's out of it.
Oh, nice try.
Nice
Too much
try.
weight.
It's that 1200 RPM stock converter.
Yeah, the converter is not really.
She's tight.
Yeah. After all these years.
That's getting edited out.
Yeah.
All right, let's put some gas in the old canoe.
Okay, well, she's officially on the road.
Officially back.
Yeah,
Tank of gas.
ready to go.
Fill up the tires.
Oh, yeah.
And
Now she's running.
seems to be happier. Well, we'll get some premium through there.
Great. Then we'll drag race.
I'll take you to 30 miles an hour.
Probably will, I know.
Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you, prankers. Can't let Myles have all the fun, eh? Right on. Okay. We'll see everybody. We got to get back to work. Looks like we have enough chips and
Break
snacks.
time's over.
Okay. See everybody on Saturday. He's a regular contributor.
Same old shit.